Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a smaller quick little haul from the Dollar Tree, and then Avery Elle Dollar Tree. Just real quick, got some more of the glitter and some of the sequins, which these are nothing new because you're seeing these sequins, all the different shades, and you can't beat it. I mean, for a shaker card, they're the same as the one you're paying $3.99 for. I ain't paying $3.99 when I can pay $1. They shake just as good. And the glitter. A couple more packs of those flowers that they have. And I did get just a couple of the pill cases to put some of those shakers in. And then got some more of their little stencils. These are like a 6x6. It doesn't say, but I think it's a 6x6. Yeah. And the butterflies. And I'm just combining this because they're both small hauls. Oh, and these little small gift bags. I had some to give a gift to somebody. But for Avery Elle, because it's that time of the year to organize some stuff and the shopping. So, you know, the Jennifer McGuire system. Had to get some more bags. Different sizes, yeah. But anyway, so they're pretty much all the same. Just had to order a whole bunch, 3 different sizes there. Well, they also had a few dies and stamps on clearance. I didn't get a lot, controlled myself, but I did get a few. So let me show you what I got and match them up. So this first one is, does it have a name? Oh, Be Mine. So it says Be Mine right there. It's a honeycomb. Let me really see that. It's in the plastic. And then I got the die to go along with it. And then this one, let's see. This one's called, doesn't have a name, but it's a little chickie. It says Hot Chick. To one hot chick, happy birthday. So this is the stamp set. Again, these are on clearance, and that's the die. I think there were like 2 each on that one. Let's see, the hot chick. Oh, the whole set for the hot chick was $6. The whole set for the Be Mine was $5.75. And then this one is Tough Guy. I think the whole set was $9. And this one says, Stay Strong, 100, way to go, Mom, Tough Guy, happy birthday. And I got this for my son for his birthday coming up to make a card. Thought he would get a joke out of that. He likes to lift weights. And he was into martial arts, very athletic, so I thought I would make that for him. And then the next one is called Stoked. Is that the name of it? Yeah, this one I think was $16.75 for the stamps and for the die set. So again, I kind of like to get some masculine ones because I have sons and grandsons. Super stoked, you nailed it, red, awesome, you rock, dude, you're an awesome, have an awesome birthday, and totally. And let's see. So that's these images. Playing the drums. That was what I always wanted to learn how to do and never did. And there are the dies. And then the last stamp set, die set, this one was $19.50, I think. Oh, I paid that much, $20. But I guess this one says, Nice buns, I must apologize for apologize. Sweet pie, you're my, and this one says, I'm so jelly, you're radish, lime's yours, and butter half. So just all these little puns for all these food elements. And of course, all of the dies that go along with it. So that's my haul from those 2 places. Take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. And thank you all new subbies and all my faithful subbies as well. And you guys take care. Like, subscribe, make a comment. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.